Independent National Electoral Commission don't come outside now, come announce the date for the 2023 general elections. This one, I don't know whether to say na good news or been a bad news, but if una ask me, una no say me always they give una my own side of the matter. I don't think it's necessary. But anyways, make I give una the small summary of how the whole matter go down. The chairman of INEC, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, now he give us this announcement. He come out, can give us the speech during a public hearing on the National Electoral Offences Commission organized by the Senate Committee. Una ready for the news? I be make a hold on. Sit down way. The date of the upcoming election, they talk about the 2023 one, where all of us don't they wait for with hunger and thirst. Finally, they don't give us, and according to I say, the 2023 general elections will hold on Saturday, February 18th, 2023. 18th of February. No forget, I beg keep her for our mind. Now wait till he can tell us. Before I talk anything, I want to tell my people. First of all, I want pray. You understand? And I pray, say, all of us go there alive to witness that day, to see that day. I want to hear amen from that side. Yes, it is very, very important because if we know they are alive, how we want, you understand? Therefore, Kukuma make up 14th of February. Now, me will not say, nah, you understand? A remarkable day. We go remember and with love. Because definitely, the good news will be on our side. Yes, so I dey pray. I don't know about you now, but me, hey, I dey seriously they pray for this. If I not even because he don't come announce am, since I don't they pray for this upcoming election, I dey pray every day because we need victory. We have suffered too much. We have cried too much. I don't know which plans they get to, but one thing when me I know for sure be say our God big past their own. Yes. Very, very important. And now why I beg, I dey encourage us. May we still dey put Nigeria inside our prayers. Anything fit happen. Una go settle now. Our politicians, they can settle for anything. And now they wonder with all the things where they happen for this country. I don't know whether they make sense. So maybe person just tell me. All the things where they happen for this country now, presently, now election date, these people sit down now, get meeting, plan now, they come bring the speech outside, say now for this date. With all the killings. No, how many of you I don't know about me, every day, all the numbers they in my head, like say now today just they happen. All the numbers of people where they die on a daily basis for this country. They never sit down plan how they go stop am insecurity. They never sit down get that meeting, come out with speech. They tell us, say, okay, this is our plan. But now they sit down. How desperate are these politicians? How desperate are they? I don't know, but I don't know whether a dead body go rise up, come vote. If all the people die finally, who go vote? Una don't think am. People they die, and the people where they die supposedly now people where suppose vote. So imagine now ghosts go come stand up from burial ground say that they can't vote. I bet na question. Why not tackle the matter at hand? Then once there's a solution, at least let us reduce the amount of killings and all these things. Then we can now talk 2023 in as much as yes, it's very near, but it's still far. A lot can be done before 2023. So why we not tackle those things first? Then we now look at okay, now the country is in a better state, so now we can proceed with the elections. I bet which year are we? 2021. So 2023 now. 2023 wahala don't start for 2021. The one way, see, when I hear this matter, my people, make I give you my sincere opinion. As I hear this matter, I believe they say na resignation date they can't give us. Yes. Say that they resign on the 18th of February 2023. It is possible, it's very true. How come I no think? Oh, wisdom, wisdom, wisdom. My people, now the answer be this. Leave am. Forget anything. Leave election. Leave what? Leave INEC. It's very possible. No, you don't think am. What if this election date, 18 February, is actually their resignation date? Oya jolly, oya jolly, oya. I go happy that I forget that. You know, my people, let's think positive, let's act positive, and let's do positive things. Who tell these people say we go even vote? Who tell una say we go vote? Because me, I don't get plans to vote for them. No, we go vote, but no. The correct question should be, who told them we'll vote for them? Because we'll definitely vote. And by then, God go reveal to us, who be the next person, who be the right person. Now, why we need pray? Because if we not pray now, we go commit in fact, the mistake will go happen. It go be allow me use this English, the worstest of all. Now I see everything put up for prayer. My people are beg, put on for prayer, because we will not commit the same mistake with this with these animals and demons where we they get now. We will not make this same mistake. If it's insecurity matter now, they go there slow. If it's to provide job, they will be slow. But now, election dates, they don't quickly do it 2 years ahead. It is well with us. It is very well with us, my people. I don't bring her the way they give me, make her bring her. So I beg, waiting you guys talk concerning this one. Start the drop for that comment section. You ready for this date? Abi, you not ready? You they agree with me? Say instead of election date, na resignation date. Anyone where you feel, I beg drop for that side and I go reply on one by one as usual. Make sure say you share this video. Make Nigeria know say the date has been set for 2023 general election. And why not click on that notification bell? If not, you go miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.